好，来乡亲啊，继续来看这个澳洲外号袋鼠军团第7军团来打败着丹麦，顺利来进入到16强。全澳洲人是欢喜甲掠狂，透明来庆祝。澳洲队伫台湾时间12月7日要甲C这组的第1阿根廷来拼战。澳洲的球迷讲无咧惊啦。
知影家己的国家赢，全场的球迷跳甲跳起来叽叽叫。以1比0踢走欧洲丹麦，第7军团澳洲以小组第2名的成绩，去2006年得到世界杯后，搁一摆抢到16强的门票，全国民众拢欢喜甲放炮庆祝。
These guys are heroes. No one gave us a chance, and we're heroes.
伫咧卡达看比赛，澳洲球迷甲选手学了讲有够牛的。澳洲队前锋莱奇伫咧下半场单刀射门，加上完美防守，正赢一摆比赛。啊，来看丹麦卡定淘汰，互球迷拢真庆幸。
I'm disappointed. I expected more, but it was like the Australian players. They just wanted it more than the Danish players.
欢喜的国旗举第7家规啊，大家心花开。澳洲球迷对所来赛事同款有信心。
So good. We're going all the way. Whoever's next, we're going to beat them too. We're going to beat the whole thing.
Argentina going down. It's coming to Australia.
澳洲后一场比赛要来战C组第1的阿根廷，第7军团敢会搁举顺风旗，球迷拢真期待。